Hi, good morning guys. I'll show you the Hyde Park, and there is a small fountain also here. From that lake, the water coming from the bridge. This is 360 for you guys. This front wonderland, long back wheel and everything. Now this is that side is perfect, like I think. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Bonjour. Please subscribe my channel and see the wonderful things across the world. Atul Exploration of the world, and you will get the knowledge, information of various cues and food, people, destinations, how to visit there, and hope you like the videos. Bonjour. Thank you. Have a nice day. Grey goose. I'll show you the grey goose. It's right back there. You can see the grey goose is there. The birds, you know. I'll show you there. If you can't see, there is a bird. See, the name is grey goose. See, yeah. He's watching. He's watching us. Yeah. Can you see the grey goose? Yeah, that's fine guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. He's watching us. Thank you. Cool. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye.